I ordered this because I tore my hamstring and I needed some extra cushion for this chair, but this is the thinnest, most ridiculous. It's just foam. There's no memory foam. There's no nothing. It's just squishy foam. And it doesn't hold its shape and it doesn't do any good. And I tried to return it. And you can't return it because the company doesn't offer returns through Amazon. You have to call their number, which is just a recording that gives you information about their website and then hangs up on you. And their website also doesn't give you any information. So don't buy this. Don't deal with this company. When I did try to locate the company and find out where they were, they're out of Singapore. And so I'm just out the $30-40 I paid for this. Not very happy.
Product came as described. It's easy to remove the cover and wash it. Either the front way or the back way. Eliminated a lot of back leg pain once I used it. I would buy it again, definitely.
This is soft, very soft.